Hello, today I'm talking about the Crystal White Lightening Body Milk. To find out if you're a dark skin person, a beginner can use it or not. So please stay tuned to find out more. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm talking about this Crystal White Lightening Body Milk with the serum together. So this Crystal White Lightening Body Milk, it's a very good cream to use, especially for someone who is been using a lightening product before, who want to lighten up their skin and all that, who want to get about a 2-3 shade and also make it glow. This cream can give you that glowing look, and also it can moisturize your skin perfectly if you are a light skin person who has been using a lightening product before. But if you're a beginner and you are dark skin in complexion and you're looking for a cream to starting from this Crystal White Lightening Body Milk is not advisable for you to use. Why I say that is that it's very active, and if you are a beginner, you start with this Crystal White Lightening Body Milk, you will end up with a skin discoloration, and also you end up with a dark knuckle, and nobody wants that. So you want your skin to glow. Starting with this Crystal White Lightening Body Milk is not advisable. And also for someone who is light skin in complexion who want to use this cream, you don't need to promise with different products, because this cream alone is moisturized and it can do the job that you want it to do on its own. But if you really want to add more shade to your complexion, you can add the syrup to activate it more. This cream is very active, it's highly concentrated, so that's why it's not advisable for somebody who is a beginner, have a dark skin, to start with it. So but if you add the serum together with the body milk, you get that yellowing skin tone that you are looking for, and also it will give you a very glowing skin. You don't need to add oil, it's very moisturizing. So that's something about this cream that is amazing. So please, that's all I have to say about this product, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If there is any suggestion or anything, please do not hesitate to comment down below. I will respond to your question. So thank you, bye.